I'm so sorry. I came very, very late. Yes, very, very late. I'm sorry about that. Please, guys, happy Sunday. How are you guys doing? I hope everyone is doing great. Yes, I'm fine. I'm so fine. I'm so fine. Thank you so much. Please immediately come share the broadcast, share the video, so everyone share the video for your loved ones. Okay, so let's go. Let's go straight to the point why we are here because I'm already late. So I need to go straight to the point. It's not wasting of time. Just want to say thank you so much for always tuning in and sharing my video. May God Almighty bless you. So the kind of people, the type and kind of people you need to avoid in your marriage. Be careful and listen very attentively. Don't watch this video alone. Watch and share. Okay? So other people will know that we are here right now. Thank you so much. So the kind of people you need to avoid in your marriage, there are many. We have them many. But I'm going to just mention a few that you have to be careful if you're a couple you have to be careful if you're a married man or you're a married woman. This video is for both of the two partner that already married. Okay. Number one, you have to avoid you see friends. This kind of friend that will tell you that you are right in everything you do. Whenever issue come out in your marriage or whenever something happen, you have this particular friend that you always discuss things with. You always discuss things with your marriage situation, discuss your marriage, maybe your things about you, you know, and this person, you know that you are wrong. Instead of you to tell that, baby, you are wrong, my sister say you are wrong in this one. The way you do things, the way you go about it is not good. Then he will support you. That person is not helping you at all. It's not helping you in that marriage. It's not helping you for your marriage to be saved. Because when you do bad thing, when you are wrong and he didn't correct you, he didn't tell that you are wrong. See, this thing you do, you are my friend, quite all right, but I'm not there because you are my friend and I won't tell you that you are wrong. You are wrong for this one, so correct yourself. This thing you do is not good. If you don't have that kind of friends and he is praising you, yes, he did it very well. Wrong. That person is not your friend. Be careful about that person. Start running immediately. You start just make sure that you run for that person. You know yourself that what you did is not good, it's wrong. And he's supporting that what you did is good. Don't mind. It's okay. You are doing well. That man, you need to show him, show him pepper. Yeah, beg you deserve it. So show him pepper. You want too much. Why are you taking that shit? Why are you taking that person is not your friend. Believe it or not. If you watch this video and search this kind of people in your life as a friend, you call them your good friends. But these people are people that support you when you are wrong, support you when you know that you know you yourself as an adult, as a matured woman, you know that you are wrong, and they say you are not wrong. Then you agree, listening to what he's telling you. If you could know it, you start acting. And when you start acting, at last, the end, you regret it. Because sometimes, because of what people tell us, or because of the kind of environment we are, or the kind of people that mingle with us, or the kind of people character we are exhibiting, it will lead us to make that our marriage to be chattered, bring a lot of commotion in the marriage, bring a lot of confusion, a lot of quarreling, a lot of things that at last you will regret it. I'm telling the truth. So you yourself know what you did is wrong. Not only women, I'm talking about the partner, the two couple. So I'm talking about side of woman now. Also included men. You see a lot of men today, lot of men. This man doesn't beat his wife. He doesn't do things stupid. He doesn't do things. negatively in the marriage. But because of some of the kind of friends that he mingle with, the kind of friends that always stay with, he will start beating his wife. He start doing the kind of things that they have never seen him do before. The wife will be wondering what is going on. So if you get this kind of friend, that if you're a man or a woman, the two partner, I'm talking about the two partner, man and woman in this case, and they have this person, you are wrong. He says, but you are a man now. He can do it now. It does not mean it. If she not wants to make she go now, he'll be giving you wrong advice. And that you yourself as a man know that you are wrong. What you are doing is not right. You are not doing it right. You know very well. But because of you have people around you telling you have people around you telling that what you are doing is okay. Don't mind that one you called your wife that at home. She doesn't know anything. If she don't know that she's a wife, she's a woman. If it happen that she don't want to marry, she can leave the house and you will grace. Then you bring problem in your home. When you go to home, you like to act as they told you now. You like to show as you are a man. Then you are bringing a lot of people. So this kind of people you have to avoid them. Stay down, stay far from them because an adult know when he's wrong or when she's wrong. Some people that claiming that I don't know when I'm wrong or whatever is lying. You know when you are wrong. So I say you are an adult. If you are up to age to get married, you are up to age to know everything, wrong and bad. Do you understand me? If you're up to age to get married to a man or married to a woman, you are up to age to know the right and left, wrong and right. So a lot of people claim when they do something, they will be claiming as if they don't know what they are doing. They know what they are doing. So you have to be far away from this kind of people, that this kind of person, this kind of particular person or particular people that telling you what you did is good, why you know that is wrong. My following, I hope you guys are getting it. So this kind of people, please stay away from them. Then there is another people, there's kind of people again you have to stay away from. This kind of people is more especially is very, very common in women, very, very common in our women. That for example, let me use example. You have a friend or a sister, no, you know, and this person is already married too. I just give an example. And you are married, you guys are just friends, intimate friends, and mistakenly your husband beats you or whatever, something happens, you just talk to that your friend, and that your friend will tell you to leave the marriage. You can, at least na me, I know they take this rubbish. Let me tell you, that your friend take more than rubbish than you. You never see anything where she have taken before. She take more than you. They should not tell the truth because he's a bad friend. He's a bad person to you. You don't want that your marriage to stand. So if you know that kind of person, what do? You cut off friends. When friends contributed for some women's marriage dissolved, scattered. A lot of women, I didn't say everyone, all of them, a lot of women because they will be telling you, if you know me, I know they take a more. He get by do to the take shit. But when he make mistake, go in her house, he may meet her when she's eating the shit. If he later catch her, she will say it's a mistake. I'm eating them. I don't eat it before, but this one is a mistake. It's a lie. He's lying for you. So this is why we have to be careful, extremely careful, choosing the kind of friends we stay with. I believe that if you are married, and one especially, let me go for women for now. I will still come back to men. I think if you are married, it's not that you keep your friend enemy, they will be your enemy, or you will not be mingled with people. But some certain friends, some certain people you need to cut off. And our friend will be high on the roads. High. Do you understand me? So it's supposed to be like that. And when God eventually blessed you, maybe God blessed you with his children, fruit of womb, and get your children with your wife, make your wife and your children the best friends you have never get before. Make them your best friends you have never have before. It will help you. But when you have intimate friends that can, you will tell you share your marriage status, share your marriage to them. That is what you are passing to, what is happening in your marriage. Believe me, that marriage is in danger because a lot of them is good. Oh, it's not bad. It's not bad to share your what is troubling you to your friend. But they have to be careful before sharing such thing to the friends or just the kind of people talking about. They have to be very, very careful, very, very careful. Okay? Be very, very careful. It's good to share things with friends, but that one that you know that you are wrong, you know that you are very, very wrong, and they will be making you to understand that you are right. Is your right, is his duty. He don't have right to beat you, or you don't have right. No, it's not good to a man to beat a man, woman. Very, very bad, very, very wrong. Do you understand me? Very, 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 very wrong. If a man is doing that, meaning that that man is not capable to be a husband. So, but it will not tell because of it. Your friend or a person, somebody will come and start telling you to leave the marriage because of that. You don't know. A husband might be beating her mercilessly, but he will not tell you. He will not tell you. You will be the one that will be sharing your own with them, but they will never share. You see, so this kind of thing you have to avoid them. Another friend, another people, both man and woman, I'm talking about. Another people you have to avoid in your marriage, in your marital home, is these people that you are telling this man or this woman about your marriage, what is happening in your marriage, and they have never one day tell you if it is a married woman or a married woman. I've never one day share a own story with you. What are you doing? You are just I don't know how to qualify you. Is it non-entity or what? Is it that you don't get sense? Somebody you are telling about your monetary home and your what is happening, and they have never one day share a own with you. Can't you see that you are the one fooling yourself? And after telling him or her that all those things, he himself will be giving you advice, but they have never one day tell you his own. Have never one day tell you her own. Are you not the one that fooling yourself? You are, because he don't want to tell you, and you don't need to tell him or her. You understand? So this kind of person now, that's that it don't share his own matrimonial home, marriage or his marriage with you, what is going on, what is happening. So why are you sharing your own with him? So you have to avoid this kind of people in your life. Okay? This kind of people you need to avoid them. Don't go closer to them. Don't make them your that is your personal your friends. Don't make him your friends. He's not your friend. He's not the kind of friend he needs. You don't need that such a person. Because he can never give you good advice. He can never give you everything that he's going to give you that if it is me, I will not take it. Why are you taking it? But he's taking more than you take in your marriage. So such people, try to know them and avoid them. If you know them, try to avoid them. Stop telling people everything about your marriage, about what you are passing through. It is good to say at home, but I'm just telling you, that particular friend, that particular person that, that you know that what you did, what you are doing is not good and is supporting you, that no problem. That person is not your friend. Avoid those people. Be careful. Be careful you people you bring around. Be careful you people you are introducing your home for. Be careful. Stay away. Stay far, far, far from this kind of people. Stay far from this kind of people. So another person, another people you need to avoid in your monetary money, your marriage. These kind of people you need to avoid them totally. For a man, men they always go bar and stay and drink with other men. That is where you see them gathering. Some of them will bring their wife here, saying all kind of things. And if you are a man, you go to bar, you go to club, you go anywhere that you stay with your friends and start bringing your wife matter in public. I'm sorry, and I be on them because we are going to see a lot of advisor. You are going to see a lot of people. Some people say somebody cannot tell me what to do. It's lie. It's lie. Somebody cannot tell you what to do, how to handle your home, how to go about it. It's lie. He may not take it to, but sometimes he may stay and start reasoning all those things they are saying. All those how to handle home, how to maybe if your wife does something that might related that kind of advice they have given you before. Then you remember the discussion you guys had last time when you guys are in back. And so that you will not use that advice. That's what take first your wife. First your before you could know it, your marriage start having problem. Igbo people so ego na-adịghị eri ji so na ego na-eri ji o nwere ike riwe ji. If you the follow person when they smoke cigarette and they know this one day they say oh boy test this thing oh you will like them. And if you test them your own might be say you worst you will even smoke more than they smoke before. You understand me? So some of the men who go to bar or go to restaurants and with other men drinking and chatting together, you will see some of those people that will tell you how to handle your wife. That your wife said won't too much because of that they have brought your wife matter in the public. And stop if you are that type that bring your wife in public. You have to stop it. A lot of marriage spoil today scattered because of this thing I'm talking to you now. Because that's thing they will be putting for your head, telling you, telling you how to do it, how to go about it, how to handle her. She's a woman. You can't keep her quiet to do this, to do that. It will be ringing. When something happen, maybe two of you are having quarrel or whatever, that thing will be start ringing in your ear, it start ringing in your mind, start ringing in your mind. Then before you could know it, you make use of what they have told you before. If you could know your marriage starts having problem. Do you understand me? So this kind of people, you need to avoid them in your marriage. If you want your marriage to really to stand the way you want it, You can't handle it by yourself without listening for advice. Some of men they don't beat their wife because of that gingering. You see those bad people around you will be telling you one day you will not know when you start beating your wife. And you are type that you don't like beating women. But because of the advice, because of the discussion you guys had, you will start practicing it. This kind of people that gives you such advice, you need to stay away from them. Stay far from them if you want your marriage to be safe. And if any of your friends telling you, catch that woman, if you do rubbish, now beat down crazy has to come up out of your head. That person doesn't love you. He don't like you. Don't do that thing he said to you. It's lying. In his own house, he doesn't touch his wife. He doesn't touch his wife. Some of them, their wife will beat them joy. But they will come and tell you how to handle your own home, how to handle your wife. Don't give that woman chance. Don't give him chance. He own too much, this, that, and that. So you have to be very, 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 very careful about this kind of people. Okay? So you see another people, the kind of people again you need to avoid in your marriage. The kind of people you need to avoid in your marriage. When you are having problem, maybe a quarrel with your husband, and you not explain to this your friend or this your sister or whatever, brother, anybody, depending on what the person is to you, just tell me. And they will come, you will tell your husband, it's okay in your presence. And you will come, he tell you in your husband, you is okay is it in your husband presence. And when your husband get away, just get out of somewhere or get away and he's not around and you come to you that just tell you that you know, don't mind that man, don't just give a chance. All these stupid women, all those stupid men, that's what they like they do. Don't mind, they'll do what you know, that person start that moment for sure. You know that that person is not your person. That kind of person. You need to start pushing him or her out of your home. Tell her not to even near body because is a devil in the human form. You see? So, but some of you will see this kind of person is keep that person close to you. When your marriage start having problem, you'll be looking for who hostage, but you are the one that chapter and post your marriage. You are the one that make what is happening in your marriage. You do something, if you're a man, the man of the guy, people like you, all those your friends will not take the guy now a fuck up. Oh. You don't do well. This is not how to treat a woman. They will now be telling you that, yeah, no worry, you're a man now, you can do anything. If a woman don't want to stay, you can go now. Tomorrow you may marry another person. That person that using that kind of word for you, run from that man. Be a man. I'm talking about the two couple, the two partner. Run. If he gets sense, you don't need to bring with such person as your friends because he's not giving you good advice. If somebody is your friend or your brother, your sister, whatever, if something is happening in your marriage, is Christ go meet that person. That person don't need to cite you, neither in your wife. More especially if that person related to you, or that person is your friends or whatever, you know. You don't need to even tell you this woman is that, this treat her like that. This it will just advise you good how your marriage you handle your marriage so that your marriage will go well, you will not have issue, it will be sweet like honey. Because I tell people marriage is too sweet. If you meet somebody that understandable person, you meet somebody that two of you understand each other, play together, you know, have things together, you know, plan together, reason together, you know. That understanding matters a lot. But some people don't see it like that way. They see it as, first of all, I love you. When something happens suddenly, you see that love, you see it, you will not see it again, really. The love will just expire. Everybody will start to boom, 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 boom. You will dey regret the day where you call him your husband. You go dey regret the day where you call your wife. You see? Boom, 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 how you go dey see Organa Adana. But if you guys understand each other, I bet you, yeah, the golden if you the dana near the dana, if you the won't come, you guys will still settle amicable without anybody resolving it, without anybody interfering, without anybody coming to settle you guys. You will settle by yourself and you will not know how you settle it. Because of that wisdom and that knowledge is there. You understand me? Because of that wisdom and that knowledge is there. Understanding. It matters a lot in marriage. Because if that understanding is not there, it is very difficult. So when you involve people in your marriage, this kind of people in your marriage, you are under fire because they will help you arrange and well, not be destroyer to arrange and well. And you are that kind of person that you don't have your own secrets. You don't have any secrets concerning your marriage. You are the one that every time you talk, even how your husband sleep with you, I take do something, I take chop I take chop the banana. How you take chop the banana? You tell them. I take chop the cucumber. Why what are they call it? You will tell them. You know, you will tell those people, that kind of people, and they will use it against you tomorrow. This is the same people that tell you how you handle this man. This is the same people that tell how you handle this woman. This is the kind of people that tell you don't take shit or don't take shit. That man make you vex, just come up for the marriage. Marriage is not do and die for, though I used to talk that word. It's not do and die for, which is truth. But that is when violation enter. This marriage violation, that is house violation or marriage violation, if you enter. I don't support that. It's not for you to remain inside the marriage and say you are married. You better quit and everybody go and think and reason and bring their his head or her head down. Then you guys can also come back to together after have cool your brain, understand each other, and that mistake will never take place again. But if it is a place that the love is not again there, and everybody wants each other, everybody wants each other to go his or her own way, it's okay. Not do and die. It's better you live than dying than suffering and dying in the marriage, in the name of marriage. But that is not what we are talking about. That is not what we are talking about now. So try and be careful and know the kind of people you bring around your marriage, the kind of people you feel that they are your friends, but inside them they are trying possible best to bring you that to make sure that your happiness they take it away. Don't you know that some people don't like how you are happy in that marriage? Some people don't like it, and those people might be people close to you. Someone will be laughing their cars as if they like you too much, but inside them they dislike you. So if you make mistake, carry your marriage, you need to concern your family. I think that you are talking to someone, your best friend, or your sister, or your whatever. You don't know that that is when you are killing and bringing yourself and bringing your marriage, everything concerning you down. So you have to be very, very careful. Please, if you are watching the video in Facebook, help me share the video. If you're watching the YouTube, also help me share the video. I can see people are watching and they're not commenting. Am I not making sense? A good evening, happy Sunday to you all. If you are just coming, please help me share the video. If the video is you are getting something out of it, let us know in comment section. Don't watch us and start looking us just like that. So YouTube people, you can share me out and give a thumbs up, and Facebook people can also share me out and invite your friends to come. Okay, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for always tuning in to watch my video. God bless you. I really appreciate you. So this is the kind of people I have mentioned a lot about 3 or 4 kind of people you need to avoid in your marriage. If you know that you want your marriage to be saved, if you want your marriage to be saved, you need to avoid this kind of such a people because some people are not happy that you are happy in that marriage. Some people, and it's not everyone. Though. So be careful the kind of people you bring around and know and exposing your marriage to them. You watch most of the marriages today that have issues, not because the people in question don't know how to manage, they don't love themselves, or the people in question hate themselves. Some of them is from this kind of thing I'm talking about. You might not have that mind to do that to your woman or to your man, but because of you have people around you telling you how to go about it, do it this way, so that you will be confused. You'll be confused because you cannot take decision of yourself. You believe that people will give you the idea how to do it. That is the reason why in Igbo land where I come from, before you marry, if you're a man, tell your parents that mommy, that I want to get married. I've seen a woman. They will carry you, carry you, sit you down and ask you some questions. Not now that anyone that anyway you see woman is start married. Even you see man is start married. You will not ask for someone, don't even care to ask information about the woman they want to marry. They don't care to ask the kind of man they want to marry because they want to marry, they start married. You talk of seeking the face of God, their own selves they want to marry. And when they marry, that is we see where you going to be seen. Much cases a lot of problem will start because you don't know who you marry and who you marry don't know you. That kind of love will they all go up and down. And not just love like that. Just first of all, they have to understand the kind of person you want to marry. Second, they have to that one understand the kind of person you want to marry. Second, you have to have the two of you have to apply wisdom, understanding. Very, very, very important. They're very, very important. You need also to tolerate her or tolerate him. It's very, very important. And when all this they like it in that marriage, it doesn't last. Then when you like it, that is why you are going to that time is when you are going to start seeking the advice, seeking the face of people, seeking the advice of people, how to go about it, how to handle it, how to go. You don't understand me? And when you have a wrong people, this kind of people I'm talking about, they will push you to the wall. They will push you that you will regret in your life knowing them. Instead, they will be giving you good advice. They will telling you that I can't take it if it's me. If I were you, I will not do it. I will not take it. It's lie. Oh. If you are them, they will take it more than 100 times. A lot of women are taking shit inside their marriage, but when they come out, they will tell you that Nami, I can't take it. It's lie. They're liar. They are lying. So some of them are a liar. So don't listen to who says, If you like me, this my husband do me this thing, me go keep quiet. I like pocket your man, pocket your man very, very well. Even if he do you wrong, he will come back later and apologize to you, and you guys will settle. Don't let anyone to deceive you because nobody is or her own is the best. Yes, no home is best. This is different two people that came together as husband and wife. There must be different things until they build. Because marriage is like building. That's you are building a house, you are making investment, you will be investing till you mature. You build, you make foundation, you will start putting block. From putting block, you do decking, on decking, carry it up, you zinga, put up, that is how marriage it is. You'll be nurturing it. Small, gradually, before you could not be a graduate on it. Nobody will pass marriage 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, even if they 2 days, 6 months, that you will not have any challenge in that marriage. It is very, very obvious. You will never tell me. So if you want the marriage to stand, you have to manage your marriage very, 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 very well. Avoid people coming telling you how to handle your marriage. Avoid people telling you how to manage your marriage. Because when people start telling you how to manage your marriage, that is when you are having problem. But the problem has started in that marriage. So that is why you have to be careful, very, very extremely careful. Very important. And call me guys. Let me take you. Okay, I'm doing that. So if you are watching me on YouTube, please share the video, okay? Share the video, invite people to enter. If you're watching me in Facebook, share the video. Let's learn together, okay? So if you are catching what I'm just explaining, you can also let us know in comment section. If you avoid this kind of people I just mentioned now, my dear, your marriage will be safe. Because now who come person close, now they perceive the order of his mouth. If somebody didn't come close to you or don't know what is happening in your home, he will never come close and know what is happening. It's you that can let them know what is happening in your home. So you have to be careful the kind of people you tell what is happening in your home. I didn't say that when you are passing through difficulty or passing through hell in marriage that you should keep quiet. No, you shouldn't have. You won't keep quiet. Don't keep quiet. Speak out. But I said be careful. If you're a man or woman, also I'm talking for the both partner, both two sides. You understand me? The couples. Fear, speak out, but what I'm trying to say is that when you know that you are wrong for doing something wrong and you are wrong, somebody will tell you that you are not wrong, you are right, and you know that you are wrong. That person, but also, our don't stay. because that person doesn't love you. If he love you, he will not say that you are right while you know that you are wrong. So be very, very, very careful. Very, very, very careful. They're very, very careful. Okay. So this kind of people have to the kind of people you need to mingle with. Explain your problem when you're having difficulty in your marriage. And this your marriage, you have endure things. You still have to talk to somebody. Excuse me. You still need to talk to somebody. Yes, I did tell you that you cannot talk to people. You need to talk to people when you are having some difficulty. Seriously, that only you cannot handle. I need someone to talk to. You can talk to somebody because some of the situation a lot of people are passing in marriage, both man and woman, is too much. If that moment that is happening and they don't have somebody to talk to, they might fall into depression. They might fall into many things that it cannot help life. Yes. So let us be careful. So talk to somebody that you know that when you are wrong, it will tell you pump and play. Next, it might tell you you are very, very wrong. And this is how I would like if you can take it from me and handle this situation. That person that can tell you that you are wrong, that person is your good friend. Hold that person very, very tight. That person that can tell you that, see, make I tell you, it's not because of you, my friend. I will not tell you. You are very, very wrong. That person is your friend. Don't lose that person. Make sure that you keep closer to that person. But you see that one that will tell you that I will not take it. This can me, it's not me. Eh? You go do me. It's not born and well. My husband, if you do me that thing, that day the marriage will end. Don't mind that person. Avoid that person. That person is a liar. What is saying in her own marriage is more than what you have never seen. Same thing with man. That man that say, me. So the woman, they tell me they wash clothes for him. Now you they wash clothes. So they cook for him. And wow. Now guy, they suffer. Oh. Guy, you don't call one boy. You. Guy, you don't become mad though. This one don't use it become mad. Me, okay, do. You see that person? If you go in house, now they wash your wife pants. And it's not a bad thing. For a husband to wash your pants is not a bad thing. Or wash it. But it is telling you that he can't take it. A woman telling you to sweep house, a woman telling you to cook, a woman but you can wash his pants, do everything. I didn't even wash plate to join them. Now you go sweep and mop the house. It is not a crime. You love your wife. You can do even if you don't love your wife, you can do it. This is a work for work for the family. It doesn't matter for one person alone. This is why African people got it wrong. Sometimes I wonder, I say, this my people say, they will say, there is a work for woman, there is a work for man. Mm-mm. This Europe, there is no work for woman, there is no work for man. All the whole work is for everybody. That is why I see some of men from Europe, they are also they're different. Because when you come to abroad, you know that there's no work for woman. Come if you come in terms of family, everybody has work. You see? So don't let anybody to deceive you, to make you to lose your marriage because of bad advice, because of bad encouragement, because of bad extortion, because of bad, lies, lying for you, telling you that if you like him, you will not do so, you will do so. Is lie. Guys, it's like I'm tired, because I need to get rest. I'm going to be starting work tomorrow, so my holidays is over. I think I have tried entertain you guys a lot. And So please help me share the video, help me share the video, help me share the video. Please, if you are watching, share the video. I'm not seeing people. People like his comment, but I'm not seeing anybody. Oh my god. But the comment is not coming out. And people are watching. I'm not seeing you guys. What is this going on? Why the comment is not coming out? And people are commenting. Imagine. I'm not seeing your comment, so I'm not seeing you guys. Guys, I'm not seeing your comments, and you guys are commenting. Please help me share the video, please. If you like the teaching of today, please let us know in comment section. Is it network or what? I don't know. I can't see your comment. I can't see. I know that people are watching me, but I cannot see slow connection. Okay, network is the problem. Ah, no, no wonder. I'm not seeing the comment. Imagine people are commenting. Okay, let me look. I look it at this place. Ah, Sholale, Ayomide, welcome. Thank you so much. Flossie, Kezi, Flossie, thank you so much. Oh, I don't see your comments. I don't see all your comments. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Welcome, everyone. Sorry for that. I didn't see your comments in time. So the thing is not showing. It's showing me a poor connection. Then maybe that is the why. It is why the thing did not show. So, guys, today I'm going to be spending only just 1 hour on this program because I came very, very late. So this program is going to be only 1 hour. So please, if you are watching, help me share the video to everyone, and follow and like the page, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and God will bless you as you do so. So thank you so much. We have membership, right? You can also click on that join button, that membership join button, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our Facebook page, subscribe for Facebook and the YouTube, and God will bless you as you do so, okay? So I promise you guys that I will be using my native attire every Saturday, Sunday. I will be doing my program. So today, how did you see my I never see compliments on this my changing of changing of clothes is a tie. So if you like my tie, you can also compliment me, okay? Compliment on my new dress, okay? So thank you so much. So this is what you need to do. Avoid such people in your marriage, in your side. Avoid them. Thank you so much. So avoid them. Don't mingle. If you immediately you know this kind of people I just mentioned now, just stay away. Run. Start running because they will never do you good. Rather, they will harm you. Okay? So be careful. Very, 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 very careful. And it is well. Okay? It is well. So if you have any question on what we just discussed, the topic we have today, you can you can let us know in the comment section. Guys, I'm so tired. I won't lie you. So tomorrow I'm going to start work, like I said, told you guys. My holidays is over. So please, can we get any question from the topic of today? If you have any question, you can ask the you can ask Adadiche. So we are waiting for a question. If you have any questions, if you have any questions, please let us know in the comment section.
My people, take a look at this.
So I'm waiting for your question. If you have any question, you can ask us, please. If you like what you are saying, you can ask us. If you are just coming now, you are just joining us, please. You can see the caption of the you can see the caption of the video, the live. Okay, you can see the caption of the live. So if you have any question, you can tell us. So I'm going to close this live in the next 8 minutes. I'm going to finish the live. So we are waiting for any question. If you know that you get something on this, so you have to tell us what you understand, what you learned from today's program. So try to avoid this kind of people and it will help you. You come back and thank Adadiche. So try to avoid them. Okay? They will not do good for you. Rather, they will help you to make sure that your marriage goes down. Please help me share the video. Help me share the live podcast. We are still waiting for any question. So if you don't have any question, I have to go now. I have to go, guys. So we'll call it a day for the today's topic. So see you again in Saturday, next Saturday and Sunday. We will have another topic. We have another live stream. And God bless you. If you are watching for YouTube, thank you so much. If you are watching for Facebook, you are highly welcome. God bless you. Please always help me share, okay? Share, and follow. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And God bless you as you do so. For my followers for Facebook, thank you so much. For my subscribers for YouTube, God bless you too. I love you guys. Thank you so much. You guys are highly. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much sharing. I have been waiting for any question and nobody have any question. So in the next 5 minutes, guys, we are going to go for today and we'll call it a day. And God bless you guys. Okay. So always make sure you keep your marriage safe by avoiding this kind of people. Always make sure you keep your marriage safe by avoiding this kind of people. Avoiding this kind of people. It will help you. Because if you don't avoid this kind of people, my dear, your marriage will be stolen. It will be stolen. This is the kind of people you have to avoid, more especially that one will tell you that you are right when you are wrong. Avoid that person. Okay, guys. So we are going to call it a day, and make sure that you stay away from this kind of people. Okay, stay away and not always telling people about what is happening in your marriage, unless that person, I said before, unless that person that tells you that uh, that you are wrong when you are wrong. You don't understand me? Unless that person tells you when you are wrong and they say it be wrong. Nah, he met it there. You know doing well. So don't be proud of when you know that you are not doing well and you see claiming rights, and that person will say that yeah you are doing well. Run for that person. It's not your friends. Be careful. It's not your friends. That's what I have to tell you. So be very 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 careful for such people. They are not your friends. Okay? That person is not your friend. So that's what I have to tell you. So if you have any question, you can ask us before we go. Before we call it a day. If there's any question you have, please can you tell us before we call it a day? Okay? So we are still waiting for your question. In case if you have anyone, you can also tell us what you learned today. If you are really get the message today, please we need to know in the comment section. Even if we didn't watch through the live broadcast, you can watch it later and share the video, please. If it is a YouTube or Facebook, please help me share the video and make sure that you subscribe if you never subscribe to the channel, if you never follow the page, because please make sure that you follow the page. Adadiche Blog TV, and don't forget to visit my family page and my family YouTube, Lily Family TV. Okay, and God bless you. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching my video, sharing my video, liking my video. Thank you so much. And God bless you. So I hope we are going to call it today. Since we don't have any question, I'll call it a day. Thank you. I have to go now. So guys, thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for watching. So we have to leave because we are already 1 hour. I told you guys that I'm not going to spend too much time for today. I came late and I need to go now. So tomorrow again, we'll see you again in our post. We are going to be posting. If you are watching me for YouTube, don't forget that I'm still posting our evangelist Ebuku with the Zion Ministry video. I did that since all this while go break. I'm not be following up, but right now I will resume again the posting a video and also this this teaching, marriage teaching and the relationship, marriage and relationship. That is what I'm going to be also posting my own video, my own content, so that you guys will still know about this. So if you want to learn and you are okay liking what I'm doing, please kindly follow up, share, like, and subscribe in my YouTube channel. You can also subscribe to my channel, my page, Adadiche Blog TV page. So you can follow the two page, Adadiche Blog TV page and Adadiche Blog TV page too. Yeah. So I let's call it today. Facebook people, thank you so much. YouTube people, thank you so much. If you want to have fun with me, just follow me on TikTok and Instagram. You see another part of me where me I did dance by dancing. And don't forget to also subscribe to our family channel, Belili Family TV, and follow us in the Facebook. So, and God will bless you. Love you all. Thank you so much. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Bye bye for now. Mm, 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 mm.